In this video, we're going to put custom error bars on a bar graph based on a confidence interval. So here we are. We've got two sets of data. I have a collection of 873 babies who were born to non-smoking mothers and a collection of 126 babies that were born to smoking mothers, and I've got all of their weights recorded. Now I've gone ahead and done descriptive statistics on both of these data sets. So you'll notice the means and standard deviations, or I'm sorry, standard errors are here. You'll also notice that the confidence levels are already here. If you need help doing this, go ahead and watch one of the other videos on descriptive statistics. What we're going to do is to make a bar chart just for these two different categories and just for the averages. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and gather these means together in one place. And I'm also going to gather the confidence levels. So equals the confidence level and equals the confidence level. Okay, so let's make our bar chart just by highlighting those numbers, insert, and a bar chart. Now, of course, a few standard things. You'll notice that it does the axis for you, which is kind of annoying. It puts it at 6.65, where really we should be looking at 0. So if I double click at that, I can make that 0, press enter, and now I actually see that these two means are fairly close to each other. We could do a few other things. You can add a title, you can add other labels, things like that. Insert. And if you look under insert, there is this error bars. I'm sorry, that's not insert, it is chart elements, error bars, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select more error bar options. So it pulls up the options on the right. Now what it does by default is just puts the same error bars on both, which are kind of nonsense. So let's put custom error bars, and I'm going to specify value. So what this is asking me to do is how far up and how far down do I want to go from the top of the bar. So if I click into the positive error value and just highlight both confidence levels, click into the negative error value and again highlight the same values, this is saying I'm going to go up by this much and down by this much. Press OK. And notice that for the non-smoking mothers, the one with a very large sample size, the confidence level is quite small, or actually, the width of the confidence interval is what we should be saying, is quite small, whereas for the smaller sample, it's quite a bit larger. But we also notice that the non-smoking mothers appear to be larger than the smoking mothers pretty much always. So this is a way that you can get custom error bars set up on your bar charts.